Our average first freeze in Denver just a few days away as I record this on this Wednesday, October the 1st. So when should you blow out those sprinklers? Because those temperatures this week are going to be in the 80s and we're comfortably above freezing over the next little while. Well, let's get into some of that handy dandy data. Our average first freeze is on October the 7th for us here in Denver. In recent years, though, that has trended a little bit later. On average, it's really the second week of October when we have that average first freeze for us in Denver based on the last 30 years. And you look back the last couple of years, we've had even some freezes as late as the last week of October, just a few days before Halloween. And remember, when it comes to sprinklers and whether or not to blow them out, a couple things to keep in mind. If you drop down to 31, 32 for an hour or so, that's not really going to damage your sprinklers. What we're looking for are hard freezes where the water expands. That can really lead to some of those damage, some of that damage. And when we're talking about that, we're comfortably going to be okay for the next few days. In fact, we really don't have anything based on the model data that we've got that looks too ominous for getting our first freeze for really the next at least 7 to 10 days and likely beyond that. So pretty good chance we're going to be talking about a much later than average first freeze of the season for us here in the Denver area. So again, if you want to wait till maybe a few days from now, always a good idea to get it done as early as possible, but you're going to be okay for the next 7 to 10 days in terms of that freeze for us here in the Denver area. So try and get that done probably by the second week of October, and you should be on the okay side.